Hello everyone, my roommates have returned. Shut up. Code data solution. What's up?
What the fuck is Volta?
I have no fucking clue what that is.
Apparently NVM replacement.
What replacement? For fucking Havelock?
NVM.
NVM. Oh shit, nice.
Hassle-free JavaScript tool manager. Fuck your hands.
Hello Jandeep, welcome to the stream. I'm a little tired today. Ruby on Rails. So yeah, I mean, I thought about it for a while, but I've decided I'll be doing Ruby.
In this course,
Yeah, shut up.
I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know to get
Cool. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Let's install Ruby first. So yeah, hello Arul, nice to have you. I've decided I'll pick up Ruby today because I was thinking between Ruby, Go and Rust, and I did a poll on a group for that shit as well. Zig, it's too loud. What the fuck? Dude, कल ही तो ठीक किया था. Like, this is the audio input. Let me reduce that shit. Is this better? I am tired of this audio bullshit. Anyways, let me know if it's better. Chalo, let's get back to it. Yeah, so I'm picking up Ruby because that's what I want to pick up the most. It seems the most exciting. And a lot of, I hear you're fast like a jet engine. Fucking hell. Bruh, that is not good. Oh my god, it's so tedious. Let's look at copy filters. On and noise suppression, that's already applied. Let's try another thing. So easy effects, this should help. Let's go to input. This is audio capture, this is pulse audio. So here make the first enable, right? Hello. Okay, so that works. Now we need to go to effects and noise reduction. I hope it's better. Noise reduction is applied. Like, तो if we increase this, तो क्या होगा? We reduce this to next to none. Hello. I guess that should make it better. Yeah. Well, that's the best I can do for now. Any better? Anyways, okay. I will look back on the stream later. If not, I'm gonna properly sit down and just do a testing live stream. Anyways, so yeah, let's continue with Ruby.
great things about OS.
How to install Ruby on Linux. I fucked up the Linux key spelling, but we don't give a shit. Let's go to, it'll take some years. I don't know why it's taking so long. Install Rails. Package, repository, configure web server. It's probably SRMized, isn't it? Or benv. Let's just try it here. But anyways, how's your day, guys? I mean, we just had Monday again. The college has started up. Oh shit. I'll do something about the fan, but yeah, abhi ke liye I'm just too tired today, honestly. I don't really want to work on it. I hope it's still watchable though. Or benv Let's just yay that shit. Yay dash s ruby. Okay, so that works. Cool. So that'll install that shit. And yeah, let's get back to it. This guy is pretty useful. So this Giraffe Academy guy is the one who taught me Python. So he will probably make it pretty fast. Cool. So okay, print hello world. So that's done. So let's go here. CD. Let me know if this is fun. So in essence, what I'm doing here is I'm picking a language up from scratch. So I'm picking up Ruby today because it seems pretty cool. And fun fact, GitHub is actually written in Ruby on Rails. So it's just another language on my repertoire. I could probably do more with Go, but honestly it's too daunting, not gonna lie. And I have a feeling that Ruby will take me to good places. And I would say it's still in demand, so it's chill. Yes, it is. It is Fernandez in the background. But anyways, I would appreciate if you guys could share the stream. And yeah, that's that. I'll share it in some other groups as well. Yup. Well, that's about the best I can do for now. I'm too tired to really care, so it doesn't matter. So we go touch first.rb. That's the extension for a Ruby file. And first we'll just learn the language because that seems fun. And I wouldn't want to jump into Rails before I do Ruby. Well, very well could, but
And
it
now I
doesn't
can
feel
actually
right.
use that to execute this Ruby code.
Oh yeah, so
I'm just gonna
a mention to
put
Free Code
Control
Camp. They won't
and R. So
they won't
Control R.
copyright strike, but still
And you
pretty
see,
good
this is
channel.
going to go ahead and run our program. So down here at the bottom of the screen, I actually have this little output. And you'll see down here that it's printed out hello world.
So I'm assuming how we can run this as echo print hi mom. Let's go with that. Echo first off. Let's install some plugins for Ruby. So ruby gimme. Why is this extension is deprecated? Okay. Ruby LSP. Yeah, I guess that's it. 1.1 million. Yeah, that can't go wrong exactly. Nobody's maintaining shit for Ruby, huh? That is a bit concerning. Well, I'll look into it. There's no harm in picking up another language. So we go Ruby, and that works. So cool.
Go ahead. Get pretty awesome.
Yeah. I can skip to the
Different blocks.
puts.
Because Draft Academy, you can talk about just
I guess puts is the same shit, huh? Let's try that again. Cool. So puts is like a better way of printing shit. Cool.
this triangle.
I don't give a shit. This is not useful. Blah 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 blah. Get to the point, man. Yeah, variables. So how do you declare variables? So we're essentially speed running through a language here.
And then
Character. So dynamic, right? In essence, dynamically typed. Hi mom. Let's go with Ishan or equals hell yeah. Fuck it. And we go to Ishan. Nah, this won't work. How is he mentioning the variables in the text? Not that we need it, but
we're
like
good
still.
at this type of data.
Cool, so these are all the types. Anyways, let me check in on the chat. Background noise, oh shit, sorry about that. Harshal, I'm using Arch Linux. That is, I don't fucking know what that is. I know it's very loud, but there's just nothing I can do about it right now. I don't know how to fix it. This noise, I believe this is it, right? Is it gain? Could be. Let me add the effect. We need to get rid of this. Noise reduction. I guess this works, but that lowers my overall audio rate. Shit, enable voice detection. Blah 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 blah. How did that sound, guys? What am I doing? You swear a lot. Make it 18 plus. Kids in. Yeah, I do. Guilty as charged. I don't really give a shit. I don't want kids watching anyways. And it is not for kids. I mean, that's what it is on stream, right? I wouldn't want any kids watching this. Yeah, not even like 12-year-old me. But to be fair, I started out watching Jacksepticeye, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, I learned to cuss when I was 12 because I used to watch Jacksepticeye. Thank God I grew up early. Alright, so he uses plus. That feels retarded. So, plus is on. I guess that will work the same. Hell yeah. So, in essence, we need to make space. And this works like that. Cool. So, let's skip to something more important. Okay, data types, cool. Working with strings. Uppercase. So, you can directly make shit uppercase. Cool, cool, cool. What else? What else? Alright. Cool. Data types. Is the static typing? Okay, true, false, cool.
Put it inside of
Backslash and this is new line. Cool, we already know that. Put space dot uppercase. Downcase. And strip gets rid of white space. Length is just the length. Include.
Basically, I mean, right,
Academy. So we can check with that. Cool. So as the string gets broken up by white space, so this will print out 0 to 3. So this will print out the whole thing and index of the letter A. So the first index. Cool. I don't give a shit. This is kind of useful, but not really. So cool. Get to the useful stuff. Okay. I already know this. Is there anything tedious about this? Getting user input. Okay, cool. This will be useful for making CLIs. Enter your name, gets. Okay, so we can assign the name. Cool. It's very similar to Python. So yeah. आवाज कट रही है. Fuck you. Yes. I mean, कैसे ठीक करूँ? So tedious. I'm not gonna get much viewership anyways आज. हाँ, input increase करूँ. अच्छा, easy effects में. EASY easy effects.
I think it's fine.
Is it?
It's fine now.
Oh, fair.
Fine, they were there.
Cool. I'll stick with this.
Actually, it didn't affect it.
Is it?
Check the, go back to OBS.
To what?
I can't fucking, I have to wait for the stream to update, see your screen.
Ah shit, yeah. Fucking hell. Hello. I'm just gonna keep doing it.
Next to the password you captured.
Albert, hi Albert. OBS is not using the right source. Move it to easy effect sync. Oh shit, both of you guys are on stream. Oh no. I don't know what the fuck that means. I guess you can help me out with that in class tomorrow. If I kill this, will that kill the stream? I don't fucking know.
You click enable.
On this or this? This is the one that's working. Okay, so this can now detect the audio shit, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So, press enable. Okay, cool. It won't end the stream. Fuck this. No, I do not want to exit that shit. What the fuck? Okay, so we enabled this. So what do we change now?
No wait, why are you quitting OBS?
I thought quitting it would not kill the stream, so I'm not quitting it. Anyways, we're just trying to figure the settings out for the shit. What else can I do? Yeah, what were you suggesting, Albert? Is this better? I don't think so. What the hell? Bro got off.
Yourself.
He got off. He's gonna help me now. Oh, it is fine now, I'd bet. It is okay now.
Yeah, but the fucking fan is still going crazy.
Oh, fair. Deep noise
This is
removal.
gonna fucking destroy your laptop, but
I don't mind. Hello, your mom. I guess that's cool.
quickly do that.
What does that do?
It's on the mic. Chill. What is that?
Alright. That's what you
See if your stream can still hear shit.
Yeah, you check. You hello. Increase the gain. Or in auto gain. Where? Hello. We are testing. Hello. I'll stick to these settings for next stream then.
It's like 10 times better.
It is? Yo! Let's fucking let's go. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks Albert. Thanks Arnav. Shout out to Arnav. He's the GOAT. So is Albert.
Her.
Oh yeah. What's this giraffe dude's name? And yes, gets chomp. The fuck? The fuck is chomp? Okay, let's go back. What's up?
Could increase gain. The voice is a bit soft. I can increase the volume.
Oh, fair. The fuck is gain? I'll look it up.
In OBS, the slider.
Ah, right, that's gain. Okay, real. Hello. My voice will now go up. I don't want it to up though. Anyways, okay, that works. Cool. So, yippee. Our audio, we can't hear you. Remove the last plugin you just added, increase the gain on the previous plugin. Yo. No audio. Yeah. I removed that. I remove auto gain, right? Cool. I think I did that. Okay. Cool. Got rid of it. And what do I do here? Increase the gain, right? On the input. Alright. What will that do exactly? Cool. Alright. Oh. Oh shit, I did that shit on accident. Alright, just a sec. I'm fucking up. Right. Shit, man, I didn't know that. Anyways, okay, so yeah, I didn't know that. Okay, so is that making it any better? Done that. This shit. Yeah. Right. Yeah, on the right. That is the right. Yeah. Drag it. Oh, right, yeah. Okay, drag it down. Cool down. Fucking hell, I'm being lectured on my own stream. Hell yeah. Input gain on noise reduction. By how much? Minus what, 6? Cool, done that. Bye. Yeah, bye. Bruh, this is so tedious. Just a sec. I guess this will make things better. Okay. Hell yeah. So I hope we are doing better now. Cool. So where were we? Ishan equals gets. So puts enter stuff. And we go Ruby. Yeah. So hello. Cool. That is so simple. Fucking hell.
Right? So name you are
High
cool
level languages.
when the
What is
find
chomp?
character emphases. entered, but also as a new line. So whenever you click enter, it basically like is going to insert a new line. So Ruby is essentially printing out Mike, then the new line character, and then all the text over here. In order to mitigate that, all I have to do is come over here and say.
So chom gets rid of white space. So if we, let's say for instance, okay, so we do chom. First off, the LSP is not working. We need IntelliSense. Fuck you. Ruby IntelliSense VS Code. Why does Ruby have no IntelliSense? What the fuck? You should use Solar Graph extension. This is Rubocode Rails and you're set. Compile documentation with yard for the install gems. Yard, the fuck? Underserving a Ruby Rails workflow. Yeah, damn, Solar Graph, which is mentioned, but for Rails you need some additional steps. Ruby Mine, damn, seems like a lot of work for Ruby. What the fuck, man? That's kind of fucked up. Well, I had a few things on my ledger. I could do Ruby or something else. Could do Code Chef, or I could work on my portfolio, which seems like the most exciting thing right now. Might as well commit to the act. So, you know what? I'll not do Ruby for today because I'll need to set some shit up, but I'll get back to it. Honestly, Go might be a better investment of my time. But well, it doesn't really matter. So either Go or 3DS. So I'm thinking I don't know what work I have for tomorrow. It's mainly just a shitty chart. And what's the time? It's 7. So I think 7:30 I'll dip. Not a very long stream because it's more of a debugging stream today. I'll dip and what do you call it? I'll either come back and start another stream later while I'm doing my chart or just, well, call it a day. I know I didn't stream during the weekend, I was just having fun. Cool, so I've set a half an hour timer. We'll dip after this and not many viewers, but that's all right. Anyways, so you have highs and lows. I mean, that CN stream was pretty fucking hype. So, well, what's the best investment of my time right now? I could pick up Go or I could do DSA, but DSA is very boring. So I think Golang might be a good idea, you know. So since Ruby is having problems being set up, I could go with Go for now. So not projects. CD Go. I mean, it was either Ruby or Go, so I had to choose between them anyways. So I'll go with Go because this is the first time I'll have to read docs. So that's nice. All right, so where were we? Go fundamentals, yeah, fundamentals. So here we were at toolchain. We've already done this. Oh yeah. Also, for people who had tuned in the past, I finished my freelance gig. So yeah, there you have it. So this site is completely finished now, and it is almost a one-to-one copy, except this shit, which was very hard to code, is infinite. So that's also nice. So like you can do this without stopping. It's in production as well if you want to check it out. It's nothing special, but yeah, I'd say one of my best front-end work. And it's also hella responsive. So if you go here, not here, I don't like this viewport. But yeah, if you go here, it works like a charm. I fucking love it. Yeah, so this is done. I'll add in whatever they want me to, and with that, I get paid for it. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, I wonder what I'll do with the money. But yeah, this is done, and a lot of it I built on stream, so that was fun. I don't think I could have done it as fast without the stream because having an audience watch you keeps you on your toes, so that's nice. Okay, so let's get back to it. Introduction of source code elements. So where are we? Program, blah 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 blah. Okay, elemental operations or low-level CPU and GPU instructions. Common hardware devices, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Programming by manipulating low-level instructions is tedious and error-prone. Very, very fucking true. High-level languages make encapsulations. Cool, cool, cool. Get to the point. Demo application. Like other languages in Go, okay, double slash and long comments or slash asterisks. Okay, cool. This is a random number generator. And so we're checking if, I believe we're checking if these two are added, if they are equal to this number, which is 100. So we add two random numbers and check if they're equivalent to 100. And yeah, you can return two numbers, and I believe this is the return type, and this is the type of the input, or like parameter. Yeah, so that's simple. Okay, cool. Package import const func var for if else return. Cool. We know this, but package specifies source files package. So these are going to be from the same package. This is a standard package. Cool. Okay, so that's that. Line breaks. In many other languages, yeah, braces, cool. Will fail to compile. Why? Hmm. Code compilation is faster without line breaks. Okay, so what that tells me is that it has to stick to this brace, right? So we look here, right? This is like this, right? And it has to stay like this. So the compiler has to go through less lines of code, if I'm not wrong, right? Oh, fucking hell, nobody's watching. Anyways, so yeah, so this will cause a syntax error. Yeah, so they want it all in the same line regardless. All right. I need a better way to promote my string, definitely. You know what? That's the next thing I look into. But yeah, I mean, from this, I understood what I understood from this was key. They were telling us, well, first of how a programming language works, which is, well, if let's just read through this once. Okay, cool. In popular high level languages, operations are mainly achieved by calling functions and using operators. Most popular high level languages support many kinds of conditional loops and state. The syntax of these control flows is close to human language, so it's easy to understand. Cool. Data is abstracted as types and blah 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 blah. So memory allocation. Okay, cool. There may be a large number of values used in programming, some of them represented by the literals directly, but others can't. To make programming flexible and less error prone, many values are named. Such values include variables and named constants. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Then there's identifiers, keywords. What else? Okay, so they're just giving a rundown on how languages work. And so this is probably a deep dive into whatever this function is, which we just explained. It adds two random numbers and checks if it's equal to 100. Just looks complex, but yeah. So if we go through it line by line, first we declare two integers, right? Which is this I find weird. Like the date, like the type allocation is on the right. That I've never had to deal with in the past. This is a for loop. There's no braces on it, but I'm sure you could do that. Then using the rand library, it takes the like int n. I don't know what that means. It's not very readable, but in essence, it takes the max range and then it takes a random number out of it, and this halves the max range. Oh no, if it's less than half of the max range, a is added. Like a is assigned to a plus one. What the fuck does that mean? So okay, so they're both zero, so a becomes one, right? And this is a for loop, and it has to be less than what exactly? I don't understand this. I don't think I have to either. So for okay, the four int words at line 15 and 17 denote the built-in int type, one of many kinds of integers in Go. The 16 at line 5, 0 at what is this bro yapping about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so the name's console. What is max run? The fuck? Bruh. Anyways, let me just look at the charts. I would love to have people here. Hmm. And yes, shared in another group might get a small spike of users. Okay, so where were we? Hmm. Line breaks, I understood. Let's go to the next thing. Oh shit, nice. Defer else, fall through for, from, go to if, import, interface, map, package, arrange, return, blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. So these are all the keywords. Hmm. I'd love to get to Go routines. But well, I guess it's better to just understand how this works. And anything else will be taken care of by syntax and writing. This we know, this let's find out. This I'm curious about. Mhm. Let's go first. So I'll only implement stuff that seems interesting to me. Because what else is the point? So package, main, func, main, and let's go with this. Oh no, this is the wrong bracket. Cool. So why is this throwing an error? So, FMD. There we go. Dot print. That's capital P. Print ln I G or whatever. Who the fuck cares? Redeclared in the same block. How do I do it here? Main. This is also throwing an error. Main redeclared in same block. How are they? Why is this throwing an error? Let's go back. Let's go to this spot. Main is the entry point function, package main. So where is it being redeclared? What am I doing now? Let's just GPT this. Or I could go more time. Is this the thing? I don't think so. I don't think that's the thing. Chat GPT. I am pretty tired today. Oh, damn. There's no syntax errors. Could be related to environment. Alright. Ensure that you go version. Go run whatever the fuck. Okay, go run. This will work. So, right. So that works. So, what's the issue there? West syntax highlighting including an issue. See details. We need better Go plugins. This is already installed, isn't it? Hmm. What's the problem? Still a novice, aren't I? There's a legit node of us. Fucking hell. Oh shit. Who is this? Hi there. Yeah, you should. Hell yeah. I do sound better. Probably. Hi there. Welcome to the stream, dude. I'm learning Golang. So you can follow along if you want. I would say I'm low and slow, and Golang is pretty fucking useful. So if you want an example of where Golang is used, so where Docker is built on Golang, is Golang used? And I'd say for upcoming backend devs, it's pretty good idea to pick it up. But also, I also had an idea of picking up Ruby, but for that I need to set up syntax highlighting because it's pretty tedious. It was deceptively simple, right? I could just start with Ruby on Rails technically. So that's probably what I'm going to do, but I would like to set that up. And I'm probably going to build Plunder, the project I mentioned, in Ruby on Rails because why not? It's another thing I could add to my resume, and I want that build quite badly. So yeah, I am because the caveat with Go is that there's not enough tools in the Go ecosystem. You have to build a lot of shit from scratch. And my mentor also faced the same issue. But the difference between Ruby and Go is that Ruby's fucking established. You know GitHub, right? Who doesn't? GitHub is built on Ruby and Ruby on Rails. And I don't think it even uses React. It just uses Ruby on Rails. It's fully built on Ruby on Rails. So is Airbnb, which is fucking amazing. So yeah, like, dude, there's good merit to picking up both of them. And down the line, not right now, I'd like to pick up Rust eventually. So I can either do those two things, which are and of which I just picked Go because I want to get used to reading docs because that's gonna become pretty common down the line. But if I don't do Go today, I'll probably do 3JS to build a portfolio site for myself. But like that's boring. Like that's something I'm already doing these days. But yeah, 3JS is pretty fun. I was thinking of two themes, either a bar theme because bars are cool, or I could go with a space theme. So like make a shitty satellite, orbit some planets or some stuff. It'd be pretty cool. So I could integrate a galaxy there as well. I have a galaxy car project. So galaxy gen shirt. Yeah. So I could add this to my portfolio. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's that. So down the line, that's what I'm planning to do. So it's either this, as in like my portfolio, or I learn a language to upskill, or I do DSA for a job. So yeah. Abhi, I finished my freelance gig from the past two streams. I'll get paid 3K additionally for it. Probably get some shit out of it and put that on either my resume or like my portfolio site. And that aside, yeah, so my portfolio is something I need to show it off to other people and connect with people. So if I can give them a good portfolio and they're mind blown by it, they might give me an opportunity. So yeah, like that's it. That's the three things I have in mind when it comes to coding right now. A new language to upskill, DSA for jobs, and a portfolio site for better chances at getting those jobs so that people are impressed and they want to call you for an interview. And skill up is just bullshit college stuff. And while I'm learning a language, I'll probably make a project or two out of it. So yeah, that takes care of everything. I upskilled, I prep for placements, and at the same time, I know how to connect with people better because I have something to show off. So that is also on the table. I mean, everybody can make a basic front-end site, but not everybody can do 3JS, which is something that I can, and I think I need to put that skill to good use. And it's also pretty fun. Like, I would love to write a shader, like a few shaders in my site. That would be pretty fucking fun. So, yeah, that's on the table. Anyways, I am just pretty tired today. Even though I just attended one class, I don't know why. It's maybe the heat outside. But yeah, that's that. Anyways, let's get back to it. So, keywords and identifiers, this had nothing that important in it. What was important was this. So, yeah. String boolean int. The fuck is Zoom? Int 32. Okay, cool. Default floating point. So, float. Alright. Imaginary. Imaginary. Just like my girlfriend. Anyways, so explicit conversions of untyped constraints. Many languages support use the form T. So essentially T being the type wraps the variables to convert V to type T. Okay, cool. Conversion TV is legal. Okay, cool. Go compilers view TV as a typed value of type T. Surely, for certain type of T to make the TV conversion legal, the value of V cannot be arbitrary. The fuck is arbitrary? Like uncommon or like weird or yes, I am looking up a word. Sue me for it. Uh, okay. Random choice. What the fuck is this bro yapping about? Goofy or Shakespeare English? Can't be arbitrary, so it cannot be random, right? Whatever the fuck that means. The following rules apply for both literal constants introduced in the last article and the untyped constants of the code. Literal constants. What's a literal constant? Literal constant. Golan. Okay, fixed value that the program may not alter during its execution. So while the program is running, that shit will not change. It will remain the same. Okay, cool. For untyped constant value B, there are two scenarios where TB is legal. This is just type conversion. Like they're like, wow, this is crazy type of shit. No, it's just type conversion. It's not that deep. So Go supports type deduction, so type inference. So in essence, if I say your mom is equals to very, very fat in string, so that's a string, you know. What are you snapping about me?
In my own mind.
Oh, real. Okay. This is what is this? What the fuck kind of yo? What is that? No is not yes. Yo. What the fuck am I looking at? Okay, multiple constants. Okay, so multiple assignment. Cool. That is a constant. That is a constant. No is not yes. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. This is quote worthy. It's like quote of the day. Like holy fuck, dude. Quote of the day. I don't fucking know. I'm just fucking around at this point. Yeah. Fucking hell. Ah shit. Why is this red? Ugh. Shut the fuck up. I don't care, man. I'm just goofing around right now. Anyways, so where were we? Yeah. No is not yes. Nah, good to know. Real. Okay. So Go specification calls each of the lines containing equals to in the above declaration. Okay, cool. In the above example, the name constants pi and pi are both bound. The two constants may be used at many places in code without declaration. The literal blah blah. ठीक है भाई समझ गया. Relax. Let's continue. Const. What the fuck is this? We can declare a typed int constant and bind largest int value to it. Here, this bitwise right operator. Okay, cool. I believe that's an unsigned integer. Okay, cool. Am I wrong or right? Yeah, uint is unsigned integer, but 8-bit. You know, bits still confuse me a lot. It's like, what the fuck are you yapping about? You know, like, what the hell are you even saying? I don't understand. And to be fair, at this point, I don't want to. It's like I'll get that down the line if I have to understand it. Numbers just confuse me. What the fuck am I looking at? But the value of iota in code may not always be zero when pre-declared iota constant is used. Holy shit, man! Reading docs is so exhausting. So much reading. My mind has been rotted by brain rot. Okay, this is var. So, all right. Now we're talking. So multiple assignment works this way as well. So this, and the types are on the right side, and the variable declaration is on the left side. Okay, cool. So types is dynamically typed. Okay, cool. So there is no types here, and it just figures out that lang is go, which is a string, dynamic is false, which is a boolean, and this is a boolean, and this is a number, like an int, right? So I guess that works. Yeah, see int. So in this case, both of these are int. So yeah, you just statically type it, and so the compiler doesn't have to waste time, I guess, dynamically interpreting what the fuck it should be. I guess that works. Cool, cool. Walrus operator. This is important. Oh. Okay, so this is convention. So in short, declaration form, cool. If you don't want to use var, you can. Okay, the in short declaration form, var must be eliminated. Cool. And you instead use the walrus operator. This is sexy, like fuckable. What the fuck am I saying? Uh, what did I just say? Like I fuck with it. That's what I meant. I fuck with the walrus operator, man. It's good. It's good. Like you don't have to like be like var. This is this or this is this. You just put the walrus operator and it just does it for you. And so this makes a lot more sense when you're facing errors in something that you're performing. So a good example of this is when I first used Go. So CD projects. So many here. CD project. Yeah, this shit. So I open this. Shit, man. Yeah. So we go here. Right. I have worked with Go in the past. I'm just getting a rundown. So for checking if there's an error, right? So it like assigns itself to this. And if there is an error, then it is not going to be an error. There's going to be an error. And so we just omit the error. Like we just not omit, we just spit it out, right? And otherwise, there's nothing. So in that case, there's an underscore. So yeah, this is like a full Go feature. I don't know why this keeps getting fucked up whenever I use it. So like if I go bootstrapper, right? So okay, just decides to work today. Cool. So yeah, I mean, I made a bootstrapper CLI and Go in the past. This is just a switch case. There's nothing special about this. So yeah, it just runs like CPU commands. And honestly, I should make this better. I might do that down the line. But yeah, this is a bootstrapper that I can use on any BPS that I have. So that's cool. This looks cool. A music visualization app is in the works. Banana, banana. Oh, that reminds me. I had so many 3DS projects planned, and all of them got wiped in my old system wide, which is unfortunate. But I still remember the ones I want to simulate. So, like, the reason I keep harping on shaders are very cool. So, Shader Toy, and I think Dhruv would appreciate that. But yeah, there's this thing called Shader Toy where you can write GLSL and essentially see how shaders look. And these things can then be mapped onto geometries or like meshes. Yeah, not geometries, meshes. So yeah, you see this shit. I mean, of course, you wouldn't map something like that on there, but yeah, this is purely computer generated. This is written in code. This is not animated. This is math. This is pure fucking math, which is fucking insane. So is this. And so is this. Well, this is not that impressive, but yeah. This is all math, right? This is all shader code. And honestly, that's confounding to me. So you can browse shaders, and if you find something useful here, you can use it on in either Blender or something else. This looks so sick. I want to disappear like that someday, like just khatam, like straight up, like gone. Yeah, this is actually yeah, this guy is amazing. He's a god. I don't even know how he writes this stuff. Yeah, this man is a fucking god. He has a channel where he teaches you how to write this shit. And it makes no sense. Like, what the fuck am I reading half the time there? You know? Mm. This guy's amazing. Fucking hell, dude. He wrote a fucking hangman game in shaders. Like, what the fuck? So yeah, I mean, dude, this is something I have to get into. This is so cool. Like, what the fuck, dude? This looks like Minecraft. This doesn't look very fun. CNN, whatever. Not my cup of tea. Let's open this and like chill here for a bit. This looks very sick. Okay. You know what? I realized that going through docs is going to be very tedious. But nah, you know what? Just because it's hard doesn't mean you give up on it. So I will see it through no matter how many streams it takes. Because I believe once I read through the docs, that's a mental barrier that I've opened and that'll help me in my career. Because eventually you're not going to be using tutorials. You know what? Let's try to understand this. So let's read his comments. The video URL as well. Fucking hell. We could write this from scratch. Isn't that insane? Hmm. So he has a tutorial on it. This guy's pretty cool. You know what? I'll give you guys a link if you want to. This guy is amazing, and this is a lot of fun to look at. So yeah. Oh, Alan Kujur. I don't know who you are, man, but welcome to the stream. Check out this cool YouTube guy. He teaches you how to write shaders. He's amazing. There's only 2 videos on his channel, but like the state of the art. He is amazing, and this is his fucking portfolio site. But you make something like that. What the fuck? I want to learn this. So, yeah, down the line, definitely. This neon shit is like the dream for me. I want to be able to write this. It is fucking amazing. So, let's go down here. Fact is, he doesn't even have to code a cool site, right? It's just, he has a whole fucking gallery of shaders. And you can like hover on them to get a preview and shit. Anyways, let's look at this one. This one looks amazing. Full now, I'm glazing so hard right now. Full job. Yeah. So there you have it. For some reason, it's not opening. Maybe my laptop is not. Never mind. There we have it. Look at this. And this is not like, how do you even make something like this unless you like code it from scratch? This is all code. Like all of this. This is what's making this possible. So like we can straight up edit this. I could make this like 9 and we compile it and I broke his code, yes, but like, yeah, this is coded, you know? So let's recompile that. Works like a charm. Not sure how that goes. Yeah, this is forward movement, so I believe if I go this 2 times, it go very fast. Nah. Oh yeah, 2.0. Yeah, that GLSL is very strict. Yeah, see, I changed its speed. This is all code. That's fucking insane. But yeah, let's leave this. Oh, that's time. I will leave in a few minutes. I'll go order some shit. Today is just not my day. Lol, this is cool. That is fast and pretty cool. See, so yeah, that is something I wish to do down the line. Okay, so let's get back to it. Where were we? Yeah. So we were variables, blah, blah, blah. Wait, what is that? Dependency of package level variables affect the initialization order. Or the initialization order of the package level variables are y equals 5, c equals y, because y has been initialized, b equals c plus 1, because c has, okay, so it goes from right to left. Okay, cool. So right ones get initialized first, then the left ones. But if the value does not yet exist, it first initializes that shit. If I'm on the right track. And what the fuck is this? Fails to compile. Can't circular dependencies cool. So you can't do shit like that, which is fucking bullshit. So yeah. Well, what the fuck? Yeah. So it's like Uruburu. It's like a snake eating its whole tail. So if I were to visualize that, let's go to Excalibur. I mean, it's not that complex of a concept, but even for my clarity, I'd like to just draw this once. So in essence, what they're saying is, so you have a variable called x and you have another variable called y, right? And so x and y exist. And so we just declared x equals to y, right? So that's what we did here. So x equals to y, but then y equals to x. And go compile it like, fuck, now you're not doing that shit. Your ma did not raise you that way type of shit, you know? It's like, no, that's not happening. So we don't handle that here. We don't do that here. So tell us to fuck off. So it's like recursive dependency, just fuck. So it's like, nah, that's not happening. Cool. That is nice. Explicit conversions on non-constant numeric values. In other words, the types of destination and source values in an assignment must be identical if the two values are both basic values. I didn't understand a word of that. Fucking hell. Ah, I hate reading docs. I'm so impatient, like I cannot stand it. I just want to get to the good stuff. You know what? Let's just try that. Fuck it. Function declarations. Cool. Here's what I will do. I'll just wing it, right? I'll come right back, and this Go routines is what I'm interested in. Go is multi-threaded because it has Go routines, and that's what I'm interested in. I don't need to pick up the basics, and whatever I'm confused about, I can just Google. So you know what? I'm gonna end stream for now because well, there's nobody watching anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna end stream, come back, get some food, and after that, I guess I'll, what do you call it? Most likely do Golang, yeah. So for the rest of the day, or I do some work. I'm pretty tired today, anyways. I don't think I should have streamed today because I have no energy to interact with people. You know what? What do you guys suggest for us to like interact? You guys can leave a comment or some shit. I don't know how exactly to reach out to more people, and it is something I'm working on. But yeah, that being said, I'll end stream and I guess I will look at it later. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is let's go here. So I will for Golang. So I like to challenge myself here. Learn Golang through docs. Second would be set up and code blunder in Ruby on Rails. Yeah, I hate myself. Code. That's my spell check. Streams. This shit is boring anyways. I hate DSA. So there's that and portfolio stream learn serious to code the portfolio. Yeah, works. Cool. Thanks for stopping by and goodbye.